Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is August 26, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. You can see our subscription services we offer there. I do want to point out to you guys our 10% discount on everything we have ends at the end of the month for the YouTube subscribers. And we have the contest, guess the closing price of the S&P, in addition to our annual, monthly, and video on demand subscriptions. I want to thank you guys for patronizing the channel. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the reminder bell and go. And there we go. Subscribe button, the reminder bell, and the like button, which is at the bottom, which I'll fix that video, which doesn't show up most of the time, but it looks like that. Okay, thank you guys, and want to let you guys know about our awards there and our disclaimer there for Woodson Wave Report. Very good. Okay, getting to the markets. We have S&P and Tesla important updates today because some important things happened, so we'll get right into it. Let me make sure. Okay, let's just go. Okay, we're looking at an hourly chart from the July 19 low. You can see I've got it marked out here. 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, and 5 subdivides like this. There's a chance it could go a bit higher. We'll get into that later, but it appears at least we're going to, if not retrace some of this decline from August 19, but possibly from July 19, and possibly further. We'll have to one at a time take a look at that. Okay, you can see we've had at least a 1, 2, and maybe a 3 here, or an A, B, C. So we're looking at if it's going to correct this most recent 5-wave advance from the July 19 low. We're looking at a 382 retracement at 43.97, a 50% at 43.65, and a 618 at 43.64. We have a couple things going here. We have price and time. Let me get to that after we get. Let's look at things from this this August 19 low. Okay, so there is that 5-wave advance. We're looking at a 10-minute chart now. And you can see there we've had a wave down and a wave up. Let's look at our Fibonacci retracements for this decline. Okay, we'll get in here and get up to there, which is just above 4,500. You can see our targets are 44.50, 34, and 18. And then if we can look a little closer at this, let's see what we get for A, B, C, or for 1, 2, and 3. We're going to have to watch this unfold here, but there is A or 1 down, there is B or 2 up, and you can see our targets here, and we'll get into this in more detail. C equals A or 3 equals 1 at 44.55, and then at 44.32, that's where we get a 1.618, and that's where we get a 50% retracement. So we expect this at least to come to here at 44.55, if not to 44.34, before it goes any higher. And if it goes higher, that remains to be seen. I want to do a little review here on the picture we have. There is that 5-wave advance from the July 19 low. As our newsletter subscribers know, we need a break below that low. That's why it's MOB, or make or break, to signal a change in trend. Okay, and here's that 5-wave advance from the August 19th low. And you can see there's A, there's B. C equals A at 44.55 and a 1.618 at 44.34. And you can see the retracement levels here. We got the 382 and the 500. Again, we have 44.34 as two different exact Fibonacci targets. One is a retracement where C is a 1.618, and the other where we get the 50% retracement of this move up. So that's what we're looking at. Ideally, and this is important, we have a turn date of August 30th. One of two things is happening. Either the market topped at 45.01 within 5 points of our ideal Fibonacci price target at 45.06, and ironically or not, within 5 calendar days and 3 trading days of our ideal turn date of August 30th, which is there. Either that, or it goes down here to one of these targets and goes up to 45.06 on August 30. That would marry price, and time. We'll see how it plays out. Did it top early, or is it going to go up one more 5-wave advance by, I guess it's Monday, August 30, and then turn down? And again, we got that 4506 target. So this move up appears complete, or nearly so. We'll find out over the next couple of days how this thing trades. Okay, let's get into Tesla if we can. This is at B-Wave high on August 13th, and I'll draw these out for you guys. We have a 5-wave decline, which signified that the B-Wave high is most likely in. You can see our 5 waves down there. Okay, let me move this one out of the way. All right, that's 1 degree, and that's 1 up. And then we have an A, B, C. I'll label that for you guys here. Okay, here we go. We have an A up, a B down, and a C up. Let's change that degree of trend for everyone. Let's make it minuscule. There we go. And that would be 2. Okay, so let's look at this Fibonacci retracement. What did 2 retrace? Let me get that in there. On Tesla, there is 1 down from the 813 high to the 817 low. Let's get that retracement going here, and we see, let's see, I think it may have been near the 786. Let's get that in there. There's our 786, and yes, it is right there. Okay, so C equals A at 715. A 786 is at 7. I think it had at 714, and that was a nice juncture of Fibonacci retracement targets, and the market honored that, and it's been going down since then. You can see here is the move down from the August 25 high. Let's look at that a little more closely, and we get that August 25 high there. You can see we got 5 waves down for 1. We have a 2 up, we have a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5. All right, I've got them labeled there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how close, 4 cannot go higher than the low of 1, and that is 706.61, and this low is 708.39. So 4 went up as high as it could, maintain the wave count. So we've got confirmation at 2 degrees of trend that the C wave down to, I can't remember the target off the top of my head, I think it was 400 and something, is well underway. We can expect a retracement near term in Tesla to one of these targets here. The 382 is 705, the 50% is 707, and the 618 is 709. Usually they retrace within the price territory of the 4th wave of 1 lesser degree. That would put it right near the 707, okay? So that's what we're looking at, and then we can expect another 5 waves down. There's the bigger picture. I don't know, let me see if I can put up a daily chart and get that that much bigger picture for you guys here. Excuse me for all of this. There we go. Let's see, there is the A wave, or the high at January 25. There's A down. There is B up. And how did this get that far off? Well, it's just missing over there. It's still on the same price. C equals A at 370. Okay, so that's what we're looking at, and it looks like we've got a series of 5 waves down at 2 different degrees of trend. We have a 1 down, a 2 up, and then the makings of 1 down again, as you can see it right over there. There's a 2 up, and there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Tesla's moving down, but near term it'll probably retrace this 5 waves unless it decides to extend. We'll have to watch that and see how it plays out. Okay, and there's our S&P, and here is our S&P there. That's what we're looking at. Ideally, price and time, a move down, then a move up, or this move could already be over, and it topped 5 calendar days and 3 trading days in front of the turn date. We'll obviously know by Monday. Should be exciting 2 days, Friday and Monday. Of course, we got the Fed in there too, Jackson Hole and all that. So the news will fit the wave count as it always does. Until next time, take care, everyone.